Spike had good night sleep tight. Splat was happy. It was almost night. He was getting ready to camp under the moonlight. Everything is just right, Splat told his mom. I have my sleeping bag, I have my flashlight, and I have a surprise, said Splat's mom. Let's go outside. Oof. Mom and Splat went into the garden. They pulled back the tent flap. Splat peered inside the tent. Two sets of eyes peered back. Say hello to Spike and Plank, said Splat's mom. They're camping here tonight. Splat felt his whisker warble with fright. Mom, whispered Splat, I don't like Spike. You might like him better if you spend some time together, said Splat's mom. Wait and see. You will see. Everything will be just right. I'm hungry, said Spike. What did you bring me for me to eat? I have some fish cakes. Splat said, yum, said Spike. He gobbled them up with delight. Splat said Splat. Looks, said Splat. The stars are so bright. I see at least 1,000,000. I see 71, said Splat. Plank. I see nothing, said Spike, but two silly cats looking up at the moonlight. It's getting late, said Splat. Let's try to sleep, but Plank could not rest. My sleeping bag is much too tight, he said. Plank. He turned, he struggled, stretched, and strained. Rip! You're welcome, said Spike. Splat was about to fall asleep when something felt wrong. He saw a dark shadow creep up the tent wall. Run for your lives! Splat shouted with all his might. Splat! Oh my, Spike laughed. Did I give you a fright? Oh no. What's the big deal? Said Spike. Everything's all right. Splat did not think so, but he was too tired to pick a fight. One by one, Splat's whisker drooped. One by one, his eyes shut tight. Suddenly, Spike sprang up. What's wrong? Said Spike. There's something strange crying on my end. Sprung? Wow! Mommy! Screamed Spike. He scrambled out of the tent. He stumbled out of the tent. When Spike took flight, he took the whole tent down with him. Oh, Seymour, said Splat. It was just you. It's all right, Spike. Come back, said Splat and Plank. We will protect each other for the rest of the night. Promise, sniffled Spike. Promise, said Splat. Now good night, said Splat. Sleep tight, said Splat. See you in the morning light, said Spike. For the three friends who camped out that night, everything turned out to be just right. 4 friends, not 3 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can read.